Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must have admin privileges and a recent backup. Once done, log into WP Dashboard. Go to Appearance Themes and locate the theme you uploaded. Make sure the active theme is not the one you plan to delete. If it is, activate a default theme first. Also prepare FTP or hosting access so you can remove files directly if needed. This prevents accidental downtime and ensures you can restore files if deletion causes issues. From Appearance Themes, click the theme thumbnail to open details. Once there, look for Delete in the lower right corner and confirm removal. If you uploaded a child theme, delete the child folder only after confirming parent is unused. If delete is unavailable, use an FTP client. Navigate to /wp-content/themes/, select the theme folder, and remove it. Make sure file permissions allow deletion. Otherwise, use your hosting file manager to delete the folder safely. Once the theme folder is gone, clean up theme-specific settings. Open Customizer and remove custom CSS or theme mods and check widgets and menus for missing areas. Then clear all caches, plugin, server, and CDN to prevent stale files. If something breaks, restore your backup or re-upload the theme via FTP and reactivate a working theme. If permissions or errors persist, contact hosting support and provide error logs so they can help resolve file permission or server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.